Hello and welcome back. So we've got a this one's gonna Skegness. I'm just trying to think what network it is. It's the Emr Regional class 203. Well, I think it's a 170. Here at Grantham, mate. It's all going off here at Grantham. Got trains everywhere here. We've got an Azuma there, flipping there, and there'll be another Azuma coming on platform 2 in a minute. They're everywhere, I tell you. Look at that, the old Zuma beast. I hope everyone watching has enjoyed my Barrow Hill, my Flying Scotsman. That were 8 beast that, to see that up close. Right, thank you for watching.